Hi guys, if you're looking for the most cheesy, creamy baked mac and cheese, you just found it because today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, bubbly, golden brown mac and cheese. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. I have the water already boiling, so we're going to add the pasta right in. I like to season the water with a little bit of salt and some chicken bouillon. I have the base chicken bouillon, but you can use the powder. Just add that in, give it a little stir, or you can just use chicken broth. So now I'm going in with my elbow pasta, pour that in. Give it a little stir, that way it doesn't stick together. And then you're going to cover it, allow it to boil for until al dente. Now it's time to grate our cheese. I have about 4 cheeses here. I have mozzarella, yellow cheddar, I have Colby Jack, white cheddar, and I have some Gouda. So 5 cheeses here. Is it 5? Yes. So now we're going to shred our cheeses. Best way to make mac and cheese is always buy the block cheese. Your mac and cheese is going to come out so cheesy, and it's gonna come out even better when you shred it yourself. So this might be a little tedious, but it's better. It'll taste better. All right, guys, we have all of the 5 cheeses nice and shredded. Now let's make the roux. My pasta is nice and al dente, as you can see. Don't overcook this. We're going to bake it some more in the oven, so it's nice and al dente. We're going to drain the water and set it aside. All right, guys, to make the roux, you're going to add about 4 tablespoons unsalted butter to your skillet or pot, whatever you're using. We're going in with about 4 tablespoons of flour. Going to fry that. So you remove that raw flour taste. Next, you're going in with about 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Yes. Let it stir as you go so you don't have any lumps. Keep stirring fast, as you can see. I'm also going in with 1 can of evaporated milk. Keep stirring it. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to season. To season your mac and cheese, very simple. Don't go crazy. This is just a mac and cheese, okay? It's not chicken. So you're going in with smoked paprika, a little bit of Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Give it a little mix. I'm going in with about a tablespoon of mustard, or you can use powdered mustard. Give it a quick mix. I am also going to add in about 2 ounces of cream cheese. Make it extra creamy. You see, it's already nice and creamy. Now I'm going in with the cheeses. I am going to mix my cheese together before adding them in. That way I can add all of the cheeses. So I'm using about half of that cheese. Just add it in. Give it a stir. Just like this. Nice. Nice and cheesy. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. It's getting there, as you can see. And also, we're going to add some cheese in between as well. It's going to be so good. That's the texture you want when making mac and cheese. You see? Nice and cheesy. When you grated your own cheese, the cheese pool is so smooth, okay? So now it is pretty much done. I am going to add my pasta to it. You know your mac and cheese is about to be fire. Even the pasta tastes good already, you know? Now I'm adding my pasta to my mac and cheese. Give it a stir. Looking good, looking good. Do you hear that? That's what we want. Yes, yes, yes. Give it a little mix like this. Oh my goodness. It's so cheesy. Perfect. Now it's time to bake the mac and cheese. You can bake it in a cast iron if you like, or a baking dish. I am going to separate this because I'm actually giving this to a friend. So we're going to pour some of that mac and cheese in here. And also we're going to add some cheese in between to make it nice and cheesy. Something like this. It's gonna be extra cheesy. You hear me? Just go like this. Another layer of that cheese. Something like this. Add some more of that pasta. Smelling amazing. Layer of that cheese on top. Perfect. Now to make it nice and beautiful, I'd like to add a little bit of paprika on top. It's gonna give you that nice golden brown color, okay? Just not for flavor, just for color, okay? Now we put it in the oven. Now we wait. We want to bake it for about 30 minutes. My mac and cheese is nice and ready. I'm going to plate it for you guys. It looks absolutely cheesy. It is my favorite part, okay? Taste test. Let's do it. It's so cheesy. Y'all see that cheese ball? Do y'all see that cheese ball? Let's give it a try. So creamy. Wow. And cheesy, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with a friend. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.